How do I handle the insurance company after I hire a lawyer for a rear-end collision injury claim? After you hire a lawyer, the safest approach is usually to let your lawyer handle claim communications with the insurance company. If an adjuster contacts you, you can simply say you are represented and ask them to contact your lawyer. Still, do not ignore messages. Save voicemails, emails, letters, texts, claim numbers, and forms, and send them to your lawyer right away. Do not sign medical authorizations, recorded statements, or settlement papers without legal review. This matters because early statements and early settlement talks can hurt your claim before the full medical picture is clear. In rear-end injury cases, symptoms like neck pain, back pain, headaches, or possible concussion problems may develop or worsen over time, even if early imaging does not show a fracture. Your lawyer will usually need your records, bills, insurance information, proof of missed work, and updates about your symptoms and treatment. Keep following medical advice and keep your lawyer informed because treatment gaps or missing records can give the insurer arguments against you. Also remember, hiring a lawyer does not stop legal deadlines and insurance negotiations do not automatically extend the time to file a lawsuit.